Hi grade 7, welcome to Mrs. Mice's Math Virtual Classroom. This time we will discuss about operation on sets, complement, and difference. Complement of sets. The complement of set A, denoted by A prime, is the set of all elements in the universal set that are not in set A. Example, given the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set A is 2, 4, 6. Set B is 1, 5. And set C is an empty set. So find A prime, B prime, and C prime. Number 1, we are looking for the complement of set A. So we will always look at the universal set and A prime, set A. So what are the elements that are in the universal set but not in set A? So set A consists of 2, 4, 6. 4, 6. So the elements that are not in set A but it is on the universal set are 1, 3, and 5. So A prime is 1, 3, 5. Next, B prime. So again, compare or look at the universal set and set B. So what are the elements that are in the universal set but not in set B? So set B consists of 1, 5. So those are elements 1, 5. So the elements that are in the universal set but not in set B are 2, 3, 4, 6. Next, C prime. So you will look again at the universal set. So when we say universal set, this one, it consists all the elements being considered in a given problem. So it consists of elements of set A, B, and C. So that is the universal set. So let us look at universal set and set C. So what are the elements of the universal set that are not in set C? So it is all the elements of the universal set. You may write C prime is U or universal set, or C prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is for complement of sets. Next, difference of sets. So the difference of sets A and B, denoted by A minus B, is the set of all elements which belong to set A but not in set B. Example. So given set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set B is 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and set D is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So number on the first one, so A minus B. So look at set A and B. So from set A, you will remove elements in set A but not in set B. So you will remove 2 and 3. So again, look at set A. So you will minus, remove the elements of set B, so common to set A. So the remaining elements are 1, 4, and 5. So A minus B is 1, 4, 5. Next, B minus A. So elements belong to B but not in A. So they have common elements 2 and 3. So we have 6, 7, 8. So these are the elements of set B that are not in set A. So 6, 7, 8. Next, B minus D. So from set B, you will look first at set B, then you will remove common elements with D. So, common are 3 and 7. So, the elements that are in set B but not in set D are 2, 6, 8. Then, D minus A. So, look at set D. So, what are the elements in set D that are not in set A? So, you will look first for the common elements. So, 1, 3, 5. So, D minus A is 7, 9. Okay, so let us have the following. So, the universal set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Set A is 1, 5, 7, 9, 11. Set B is 1, 3, 9, 13. Set C is 1, 11, 13, 15. Set D is 5, 7, 13. So again, when we say universal set, so it has all the elements of the given sets. So what is A prime? So complement of set A, you will look at the universal set and set A. So what are the elements in the universal set but not in set A? So it has 1, 5, 7, 9, 11. So the remaining are, or the elements in the universal set that are not in set A are 3, 13, and 15. So we read it as A prime is 3, 13, 15. How about B prime? So B prime, so it is complement. You will look at the universal set and set B. So what are the common elements? So 1, 3, 9, 13. So the elements that are in the universal set but not in set B are 5, 7, 11, 15. So B prime is 5, 7, 11, 15. Next, set A minus B. So A minus B. You will focus first on set A. So what are the elements that is in set A but not in set B? So common elements of A and B. So 1, 9. So remaining are 5, 7, 11. Next, C minus D. So look at C and D. So common elements of C and D, common element is 13. So focus on set C. So the answer is 1, 11, 15. So that's all. And thank you.